Welcome to the 24-Hour Woman Show with Cheryl Nugent.
Hi there again, this is Cheryl, CEO of LifeWorks, founder of the 24hourwoman.com. Welcome to today's episode of the 24-Hour Woman Show. We have been receiving several questions from you with regards to what do I do when I have a lot of frequent business travels. In an era where a lot of us are stepping up into regional or global roles, travel is unavoidable. What can we do about it, and how do we, some of the questions was like, how do we lessen the guilt about traveling? What do we do to plan about our travel so that we are most efficient? So let me take that question first. I've been having travel as part of my corporate diet for a very, very long time. So some of the practices that I have. Number one, I have a standard pack list. Yes, you hear me. The more it's systemized, the easier it gets. I usually would pack 2 to 3 sets of cardigan sets, a black, the 3-piece suit, my black pants, a dress, and walking shoes and my heels and something for the evening. And then I just add on based on what season it is. If it is the winters, then you will find that my cardi sets are made out more from wool and cashmere. And if it is in the summers, then it'll probably be more of the cottons. Those are sets that are standard, and it sits in my wardrobe and it does not get worn any other time, so that whenever I'm called upon to travel, those will be the sets that I will be picking on, and that we know that it will always match. What might be different might be the occasional scarf or accessories that we will put together at that point in time. So there you have it. You streamline the process, and it becomes second nature. You just pick those items out. More importantly, I want to focus on the second piece, which many perhaps working moms, or if you are having to provide dependent care, that you are concerned about. I've got 3 boys that I have back home, so whenever I travel, these are some of the things that I do. And when I travel, some of the things I do is that I will have things like this. One of my best friends are Post-it pads. I write stuff on it and I hide them in a wardrobe. I hide them in their favorite storybooks, so that even when mommy is traveling, mommy do pop up and would be having a little surprise for them. Or little cards like that. Or bigger ones, particularly if they are about to go for a soccer match and you're going to be missing that, or they're sitting for a test, a card that says best wishes. Those are ways that I do keep in contact. Otherwise would be wherever I am, if it was for a longer period of time, I'll mail back a postcard, yes. And of course, the ever-friendly technology piece. Things like Skype and things like using FaceTime or WeChat. Those are convenient ways for us to stay in contact. The engagement piece is there. The other one that was very important for me when I travel was to ensure that my family continues to eat well. Yes, for many of us, they know when mom is away, that's when we have all the junk food. Not in my household. When I travel, and you will probably see a lot of this when you go to our resource site, is I have like a chart like that, and I have meal plans. We will plan the meals through the week with the person that's helping me with all the cooking and all, and just to ensure that they do eat well. Particularly my 3 boys are in the growing up stage. They need the energy, they need to have, they need to be eating and sleeping well. That's something that I am mindful of doing. Also because we are providing dependent care for my parents. So again, special diet needs, etc. That's taken care of. One big piece that is never forgotten when I travel is that we have a huge calendar that's right where the fridge is, and that's a common place where everybody will check in to see what's happening that week. So if I am away and somebody needs to be relieving my duties in terms of ferrying the kids or meeting the parents, or in the parents meeting group or with the teachers, that spot is there, and if I'm away, we make sure that somebody is looking into those activities. So simple systems and structures, having your wardrobe for travel in a set, planning for meals, looking at ways that you can keep in contact and stay engaged, looking at the schedules, everybody, there's no missing of a beat even when you're away. That helped me to feel secure and a sense of things are taken care of even when I travel, and yet I'm feeling I'm connected with my family wherever that I am traveling. Makes the traveling a little easier, and it does, however, make me want to complete my business discussion as soon as possible and come home to them. If you like today's episode, well, all you have to do is subscribe so that more good stuff will be coming on to you. If you have an opinion or you want to share with us some of the tools and strategies that have been working for you because you have also been having a role that require you to travel extensively, come on over to the 24hourwoman.com blog page. I'd love to hear from you. My name is Cheryl, founder of the 24hourwoman.com, CEO of LifeWorks. Till I see you next, live a life that's most excellent.